Meet Charles show na wo hwe Meet Charles about Worcester Bonten so ene chairman bakope chairman Ololo bakope e wo Worcester but senior akwaba
yeah official pastor
fiko metu yen fita sene ma ban big e wo America Bonten so senior be di nkomo na answer na be di nkomo no aja ode onipa ban a wo ye betudwa cause pina nim chairman na fe baby e wo sisi street na baby sa na ya to nkomo so kakra senior
right we dey and that's it so amam say konye Midian Casa de Adams already. I'm saying do no any say from Adams.
Okay.
Yeah, Midian Casa de Adams already. Na Oluno the metro menana.
Oh, okay.
Intina when you papa no friend Oluma said intina just say Oluni dey from kwara say intina Oluna be shadow Midian Casa.
All right.
Intino me from Adams already. But do no say the me the enemy say from Olu.
Yeah, Meet Charles show said me kan na wo hwe chairman akasa kakra na me break kakra ba na ya hwe de eto so Meet Charles show na waso gusu wo hwe chairman Olu de kan bo ne din ene how sinya ne din Olu no senior yan to so ahaya ma no ne yan hwe hyase ne pi how we say bible chain na se for ene no hia for this show but me ba me to many am so you obi a wodi dwa wo ye wadwuma Bibia ye kusa say na we start here e wo manone
onia we dey asam no abi no abusa no say mpanifo say otu anamo a ana okowani na me start here aduma we no so ayade bi a edima ko adum pempen so we me say baba shop ya me start here no we started from a garage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At least na menya baba me ba kuma na menya baba na me ba na me brother na wo
so baba na so power baba shop no
I know so well nti na me me brother ne namfofo ni ade nti do baby no me obia na obia ma me $10 me brother no ne namfofo no obia ma me 10 e me say nti weekends na me adwuma Monday to Friday till Saturday Sunday na mo fi na me dey yi 3 na we starting kakra sa but you do baby no so me yi 3 Saturday and Sunday no asika me nya no it say dem akọ adwuma Monday to Friday nti na encourage me ma me yeday go baba no nti mo na me ye no na me say to so na ni eyefe nti told I na me de me garage start here to started from a garage and adwuma so my for about 15 years ni more than 15 years I'm so back from where na me start here but me ba ha me bi adwuma ye ankasa de 12 years ni.
Oh great.
Yeah anti
yeah senior yan hwa de abrochire so you for oba for the challenges now go through the how now how bo
oh how ni de oba if they say depending in abrochire na kwan obi afa so di to kwan am say ye krom a ye nim de wo enso na ja ye nim de wo abrochire de wo kwakohia ba ya dwen nyina ye say once wa kwabrochire nko ade oba survive ebi no survive ebi so survive
and be so obo hoye
ni nyina no eye ekwan afa so di tu kwan na me say me tu kwan no na misa me no di 20 yes na misa no 26 year no mani na ma you know me nya visa na me dey buy na me brother so hard ti me buy no say me na me nim say dey visa crava brojira untimi nya adwuma untimi nya adwuma asa niema kitingitinti me do bin krata na start ye adwuma na ade ama I mean ya fam nkrata sem say we start ya fe say warrior and son when nkrata na ade I think say we a common story will be anim ti ene de me person me stretch deep but
yan hwe de na ma broche ya brochire na de na hwa ye hwa ye memu ho a ye lucky kakra
me bie madwuman de ma brochire ni say aha no emra ya adwuma ana ye protect professionals ye protect businesses ade ba kwa mahunu no say wo ye business we already start business you are well protected kakra enye bibia mrada ho nti so so for mra no a eboa wa eboa oman no a eboa ayi krono a wote so no a nti no krono they make sure say requirement no mu hia no 1 meet ana de bia wadwuma se boa wa oman no so benefit because obi ahia obi chain of business enye nkwa na we enjoy one we employ nkrofo two who to tax ma city no we san to tax ma federal government just say nyama bebre you ma krono so e grow because
when a certain business our brochure now man so et metum pon
o man so to metum pon
compare your whole Ghana kakra na o jim say the from be no
compare the from be ya to sin bebre ya to enema I think say rules and regulations na ye di bi adwuma no ana say ye di start bibi no e ho no atosin kakra Ghana no man say da anya adwuma am obi Ghana na me mechanic me sua adwuma me be ba say na me fuel injection pump service yeah na me service big trucks I mean me sua adwuma at the age of about 16 because me call technical school me call ATTC into me wo ATTC ni na me year part time I see into me call classes na maba workshop sa into anyama bebre ho a me year dey me started from Ghana
sure meet Charles so na wo hwe chairman olu egusu kasa me call breaker ba me ba chairman be din komo kakra me ho say MPP flag MPP flag kesiye pa e woni dem with the Ghana flag nti obecha ne bobre ene moa oyeboa MPP party no and what we should look forward to as a people. Meet Charles Show.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. Meet
Charles Show no gusu awoshe ya ba chairman oluho chairman gusu kasa chairman na me hwa office hey me so we a businessman of the biggest barbering shop say in America, one of the biggest barbering shops in Worcester.
Yeah.
Me sa ba han me say 3 or 4 in one something to normal plus office ankasa e ba normal auto no so na man for ho de oye na me hwa o dem on MPP flag no ha kese we a party member ade adwumade na odi man MPP party no ade am one of the MPP party no ade na mo ye as party members over Worcester obu kompo akohwewachi wa Ghana yes fix the country fixing the country ade na wo kafa ho senior
me da so obusabi a good over to MPP flag o mahasen I think say MPP party me wom na me don from Ghana.
Okay, before you even travel abroad.
Abroad no. Na manage ho, party manage ho, and food soldiers. Yeah, they did from beginning. Me name me brother back. Okay. And they grow Ghana. Na you ba ha say no so no. We say me be ye che baba na nkofo ba me nchen. Awo me started from a garage no. Say Ghana for no na mo ha na boys in bebre me ho na mo ba every weekend. Ni etnase omuba mi yom na etnase bon komo ni anu no mbi kakra nti party no just say I say e bi sambi share ha no wani tia yen account for no de ne yen ni Ghana just say nipa most no na obi ado MPP nti ye say be MPP party nti MPP party no Worcester me na me tie ye
na oti MPP party
no any there no doubt obi anu me na me start here like me garage one dey start here with the people
meetings.
Yeah, meetings.
A month for dues.
Of course. Indeed, the whole thing not started on me. And there was a chairman, Ajay Eboa, not on our next town, Springfield, Massachusetts. Now, or no Springfield. No, so now or running for national chairman of the whole US. Now, no Springfield. Now, I have no Ghana for the war have more. It's no for Bahasa, but now. Omunya baby on bay meetings nti Nyankopon ya adom nya big place na assign barber shop nkofo bar no nti na hwa information center nti oba be hu me no so nti start here with friends yeah start as MPP edidi mo ama ya party ama akonanim at least your chapter your timenya say MPP for omo way director of finance our MPP head office my brother Collins Nyoma or my cousin also me start Kofi Amoyao also by over start wa onu nyina be hu me no so o nyina o mani MPP
show interest or party
no Kofi Tonto so also o nyina me guy jo no nyina start nti o nyina be so mu na nse almost na sabe obia so enim de ko na nim kakra no mani party no nti so e push o mo ama o nyina no obia do national level I say at least kakra na start wa no yetime breedy a lot of good people in for the party.
For the party.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dear. So it may start something mega and then you know you can see people cry free national offices.
Offices, yeah. Party ni ya dia chirache ya try take it near call Tezex tamwa 2006 08 akufo be kono Alenchra Martin akufo ado name it omo no standing na munyina ba Texas me ko share you call Maryland you call New Jersey New York everywhere but be at some point for buy bigger idea we contribute a lot say bibia because ade a open no na open enye say bia ye didi a chire kwa ana ye pe no so no ye pe de yie ye po mani ye pe na ye hu ni say so money see here me make my say me babu chire no me almost 22 years my better more my life in be I had my tua my contribution me taxes no bibia even though I'm from Ghana but I know say one day I'll go back but I want to go back and get a good environment no man who say kro so koso information you from Ghana no nya dey say all the compare I think say Ghana you enim kakra. But party politics you know I don't know
Yanto aso chairman matter fix the country yeah one movement and fixing the country and it's another movement of Ghana said the okasa for many years no o you say bibia okay o Ghana ana de na aye okay I was okay about ban ambaso yenye ana de na enya okay I was ban it me bam quickly as a matter of urgency na omo to me hwema o man it me tumpo
ready na me na say the army tie fix the country and fixing the country no me hwemu I mean almost fixing we are fixing the country the government is doing his best to fix the country ana fix the country and then what potting a day potting pa no mo pese yem fix it e ma manfo no hu say we ya fix we because all kinds of fix the country untimi gina bibi potting so say fix we
mainly they talk about jobs infrastructure policies I mean these are basic things
these are basic things but so we share MPP government here or TCC here I mean basic infrastructures policies I mean good policies for the country no I think say kakra minimum no since I'm back so be for 4 or 5 years in men call Canada but with the information I mean any baby do level do free SHS national health insurance policy for businesses niema banking system the way na Ghana a collapse on my fix banking system any I mean yes diverted to digitalization no ekoso no I think say the government is doing his best and gradually still we need more but kakra you can't fix the country one day
okay
if you America up to date they are still doing politics they are still fixing things they are still doing infrastructures in nema you know if you are if you are saying all the time and untimi nya bibia pepepe but in kakra so obi ye bibia now so ye bi to aso and now ye bi boa and no man ko nanim but you can't just sit down and say fix the country now what to onya hwe and I say boa on contribute to obi am person to tax and the system is very broke the system is very broke right to and to the point say say Ghana no is so corrupt say your system here team no so what trust will be changing nipa overnight and I say with policies are they will hit you back. If you won't call for no man cry no and as party members in the ground no they will not be happy because a corruption are unforced normal but normal.
I'm sure say it will take a bold leader to fix the system because yes it might cost you your presidency just like man panyin for the kind say so obe fix galam say na mpo walo su krampa ope onye sure say ye hia bebisa na o minute metal bomb
yes I think say democracy there and yet dictatorship I think say sanity democracy is democracy and intina what Akufo-Addo is doing now he don't look back to what people are saying but focus on what you are doing because Sedebiano, if you're a leader, now obe hit back about what people are saying. Obi abeka wansam, obi abeka bibi. Enye bibi ana obi kan ya na wakoye. O na so obi kan ya na waye say. A big problem. E dey won full say omano next 50 years, next 20 years. This is what I want the country to be. Now what's a plan now? Go ahead and implement it.
Okay.
So that say ubenya backlash said the working. I don't say ube jaya na so no say system nye because nkrofo beka I don't say system nye because I have a people who are almost dear dance here even West Africa hono people are they go to Ghana and they say wow my idea Ghana is moving forward. Ghana has a good leader who is leading the country. Ghana has a bold leader. When he gets foreign trips in that idea when he talks to the whites they listen and they know what he's talking about and they know say he has a vision but and then obi abeka it is the amount for can the politics obi abeka need there but as a leader focus what you want to do and I don't know me dem you say no there's nothing wrong the 8 years no so Ghanaians has a mandate to vote either to vote you out or to vote you to continue and the two-party politics system in Ghana and that's everywhere in democracy. And say up to the Ghanaians, so what I say
for them to decide for who to lead Ghana in the next election. The
next election.
All right. Chairman say our politics. Chairman say our say our managing plan. Nefe manpanyis vision. Me co-break aba ama chairman beto so. Yeah, Chairman one. You go so. Na me ba say no. But who say wadwuma ha no. I 3 in 1. I'm saying who did draw hodo. Then now you know what I say. Oh,
I said the main focus was the barber shop, but with time on that, my day in Tade, in Pabua, my sign agent, my phone companies like Simple Mobile, H2O, Leica Mobile, and you know, Metro PC. Yes.
Yeah, nam Pabua no ene ntare na ye Ghana from Pabua na said ye.
Oh, David. Italian goods, me turn Italian shirts. Me shirts and also many micro landing.
Okay.
More landing. Shirts na me turn and Italian shoes.
Yeah, but so when you are konya what in Ghana didn't be fra.
Oh, yeah, more Ghana want to and one kakra what say Ghana flags ne
souvenirs, party souvenirs.
Ghana honiama. Was Nkolano omu graduate ya omu pe kente gomko omu pe Ghana flag something African. If the anytime omu ye program bia was school omu pe African ni bia me omu ba timi ton se ni mani nyina bi.
Yeah, chairman the yan hwe yan ho as I be before ye obi man so. Yet saying nuado bi wo ho, tema bi wo ho. Wabatna hacha be 20 years ni. How do you see the Ghanaian, the American Ghanaian, and as a Ghanaian in America, and now young one how cry be free Ghana buy wabatna ha. Yes, so mind to say yan no.
Oh, Mekan is say me nipa Ghana for adwuma na me say the adwuma na me in Ghana for about 90% in the baha. Ya ho Ghana for no. Ya do ho. Ghana for do ho. Don't get me wrong. Ya do ho say asam to obi o krom ho na o say da manfo be keka mo nipa depending how obia dey associate ne ho to the society so that obi o ha on penipa mu ba obi o ha you know obia ne said o dey o ye ne niema na wo hwe mu dia ye do ye ho na emwo mu ti se na wa mafo so na Ghana for ye mu ani twetwe 90 nipa society ni over bia but so so hwe mu pa dia and I won't get you wrong Ghana for ye do ye ho itimi ye kan ho bom na ni nyina gina leadership so that say ni nyina so de politics no Ghana ane e de aba ha na de no se de obi atene amase akwanto mu no eden minimum wo so ni me hwe se de even kra no bae nkita mu di yetimi interacted di ho nkomo de we are I mean reception kakra de ma wa wo so me open up no you are free to talk to me sure. And he said they will do this level it is say udu baby ni na di nipa no said wa usu out the nam yeah to say me say no me a free open minded guy me ko baby me dream dey obi one the Rebecca and the positive side in Ghana yes and after Ghana so Ghana for your groma there mayor no crack say in fact yes see a shame nipa mo pa ntina make say young Ghana for do ho and after so you need too much high crime crime rate no because Ghana for no what do compare issues ni na say what do compare other countries no yeah about 1% and 0% out of other nationals just yes Massachusetts as inti ama mayor no crowd on dey o kan oni ehia bia o kan Ghana for so your boy home modern even other countries say Nigeria for Liberia, Cameroon, ni other people no omu wo Worcester ha especially Kenya for so but o say the Ghana for kike ho no a yen more entrepreneurship
Juma some ne ye
ye pay yes ana yes ana when it comes to say ya bo bi man so ba ye ne edin say per say ye bibi e wa ha ye per say establish wa ha more nti o hwa nti ne Ghana for shops your African shops more your Ghana restaurants your club wa ha so that's nti o hwe mu Ghana for your boy home modern war in terms of account mu ne bibia mu compared to other nationals no obia any ne la idea na so o hwe say the Ghana for ye tie no a ye more into you know
sure yeah nti o hwe no de no metu pa na so ba ha wo hwe so Ghana ni BCS here what are the two main things I was so much aware and I focus on
well
we are brand here nyame see from
the American say we are brand depending on make say e status obi ade back home obi o hire fireman or a young guy or a young girl waba and ya they say need too much they are the best thing is education
so ko school
quick and then being also journey pa aba be sini so abrochire no nyina journey pa aba be sini so how helpful a person or the oboa ma ko anim obi o ha obetro no oba ya na or the education na shia say madam for kroma de o ho beto wa na say obenya good pay job a school pay na betima ye ana say wo be bi adwuma say dem na bi ma adwuma yi adwuma bi enye easy
you come later now last submission in general like then I work at chat to na if you want to be for Ghana
the make a chat to say young Ghana for a while obia I think say ya mobia fishapa
okay
afiason yeah she parties were house to house any places she ya mobia fishapa afino that's is nyame dia abedu pepper so bi na be ko afifu from chaka na for be minu mensa ya ko afifu from empire ya boss yen pese be tia sambo ni bi nto obi anya hwe ye obi anhwe ne ho so ye na afino enyo Ghana for so anemu amutie so ya mobia fishapa especially na me lady wa ha say
okay
oko last November year inti already I really love you, I miss you. O was na menino oni o ma me de bia na ha say Oyo to say akwara, me say say akwara. Na dey be you trust. Yes. On the you trust kakra but okọ ma fe no. Sure. Me chia me sisters no me ni anomo amu aka nya Ghana. Me chia obi a.
Okay. All right, this is Chairman Lou, your banner shop and in the office. On your bedin komo abrochire mu sensem na exposure na experience bia o dia tudwa meet child show na wo hwe ya da masese mo hwe yen da se na yebese hia na ne omomu wa konto omomu Europe America elsewhere ino mo hwe na edin komo na nya bibia asua afrim meet child show. Subscribe to this channel.